Hello everyone, today is Mother's Day, Sunday morning, May 9th. This is my weekly tally for finds. I searched 55 boxes this week and I did it pretty good, guys. It was one of the better weeks I've had since February. I pulled 158 silver halves, a total of 28.4 ounces of silver. I got 24 90 percenters and 134 40s, guys. And I did find a 1964 Roosevelt dime out of a Coinstar, my first silver find out of a Coinstar. All right, and then the star of the week was let me get this, a 1923 Monroe Doctrine, and has good detail. I found one of these before, it was really slick, but this one has got some good detail on it. It says Los Angeles there, Monroe Doctrine. It's got a pretty cool little globe there of the Western Hemisphere, and these two gentlemen here, Monroe and Adams, the two men depicted on the bust there. Yep, 1923 Monroe Doctrine, in pretty good shape. Kind of dirty, but we'll keep it just like that. That is the star of the week. And then we got six Walkers, guys. The oldest being 1917. 1917, kind of slicked out year, but you can still make it out there. The rest of the Walkers were common years. Then I got 5 Benjis, and I have 1264s, guys. 1260. Sorry about the shadow. 1264s for a total of 24 90 percenters. Then I got 565s. Let's see here. 1166s. 5267s. 3768s. And 2869s. And also I got a 40% bicentennial 1976 proof. And it's seen better days. But yeah, that was it, guys. It was a good week, really good week. 55 boxes searched, 28.4 ounces pulled. And thank you for watching. Hit the like button, share, and subscribe. All right.